How to install the Google app on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to install the Google on your iPhone, here is what you should do. First of all, make sure you have updated your iOS to the latest version. Then you have to confirm if you have a stable internet connection. Confirming this, you can head over to your Apple ID and then get logged in. Now head over to the App Store and then type in Google app. Tap on the application Google, which says More Ways to Search, and tap on the Get button or Update button. You will see the Update button if you have already installed the application. The Get button or the installation might ask you to double tap or double press on the side button and confirm it with your Face ID. Once it is completed, you will see Open button. Tap on it. This will ask you or open the Google app itself. Now log in with your Gmail and then you're good to go. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.